Welcome back. Haitian classic, authentic cuisine. We put the beans. We take out the bad beans. Once done removing, order to wash the beans. Back in the Caribbean, in Haiti, we wash it until the beans are clean, until the water is clear. First water goes to clear, so I'm gonna wash it twice. We always leave a little water at the bottom. Why? Because there might be some residue, so it can stay at the bottom. So now I'm putting the black beans in the pot, and I'm gonna add some water, enough water to cover. See, the leftover residue stays at the bottom. And now we're gonna add water. So I added enough water to cover the beans, and then stay here so you can see more of what we're gonna do. And since we're cooking authentic, grandparents always put some garlic, not only for flavor. I'm gonna wash the garlic right now. Not only for flavor, with the peel, it helps you digest the food easily. All right, this is a grandparent recipe, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. Well, now look at that. After sitting for 30 minutes, they soften. So it's time to turn on the stove. So when it starts boiling, you're gonna see some beans go on the top. That's when you add some water, so all the bean skin goes down. That's the first time, and you're gonna do that twice. Authentic Haitian cuisine. Look at that. So I'm gonna cook rice and beans with them. That's the perfect way to use them. Not overcook, but enough. Okay? So let's start cooking.